Alright, welcome to my channel. This video we're going to be discussing a torque wrench that a company sent me. They reached out to me, they're an Amazon seller. So let's get into it. Alright, here's the company. I guess you'd say that, ANPUDS. Weird name. But anyway, let's open it up and look at it. It's got a certificate. Man, let's see. For the torque and everything, it's got a book. Of course, if you don't know how to use the torque wrench, you probably don't really need the book either, or the torque wrench. Anyway, check this out. This is pretty awesome. Now, it's supposed to be powder coated, and I guess the name and the size, or the torque ranges is laser etched in there, it looks like. But this is pretty sweet, if you ask me. I don't know how durable it's going to be or how long it'll hold up. Hopefully that's coming through. And yes, it does have the Newton meters on the back. And of course, you just lift this up, or pull it down rather, and turn it to set it. I always leave mine set at 0. When I'm not using them. And it's a 72 tooth ratchet, and you know, you turn the handle, set it where you need it to set it, and if you let go, it locks, so you don't have to worry about it turning, and you don't have that stupid little thing you turn on the end to hold it still. These are the best type torque wrenches you can get, the ones that has this sleeve on it. This company is supposed to be, y'all remember when I did the review video on that little digital torque wrench? In case you don't remember it, here it is right here. Little bitty small dude. They sent it to me. Well, I thought Vanpo sent it to me, but apparently somebody else did. A company, or maybe they're in cahoots with this company, because when they reached out to me, they said that we've already collaborated with you with the Vanpo torque wrench. Would you like to have a click style torque wrench? Sure. So they sent it. It's 10 to 170 foot-pounds, and believe it or not, it's only on Amazon. It's only $32.97. Can you believe that? I don't know. Maybe that's the part number to it. It's easy to look up though. All you gotta do is put ANPUDS and 10 to 70 foot-pounds torque wrench. Like I said, I don't know how this finish is going to hold up, getting banged around or whatever. But I really don't bang my torque wrenches around very much. I treat them nice. I treat all my tools nice. But you see how easy that is to read? Some torque wrenches, you got to sit here and get a certain light at it and turn it, or at least I do, you know, with my eyes. Well, let me show you. This is a Craftsman torque wrench. They don't say Craftsman anywhere on it. Can you believe that? Oh yeah, it does right there on the handle. Craftsman. But you see how hard that is to see? The sizes? And no, it ain't because it's a cheap Craftsman one. Because here's a inch-pound snap-on. It's the same way. It's hard to see. Now here's an inch-pound. This says store at 10 inch-pounds on the Tecton. This one is a Tecton, and you can read it. So it's not necessarily the cheap torque wrenches or the expensive torque wrenches, because they all have models that you can see and you can't see. And here's an example. Here's a snap-on. I guess you can see that. And those are kind of laser etched. You can hopefully you can see all this. I'll tell you what, I'll get the camera down and I'll show you what I'm talking about closer up. Okay, you see what I'm talking about? This is the Craftsman. Certain ways you look at that, certain angles, you can't really read it. You have to look really close at it to be able to see it. And here's the snap-on one. It's the same way. Naturally, it's going to show up on the camera because the camera's close to it. And here's the half-inch drive snap-on that's etched in. You can see it a lot better. Just like the Tecton. If it'll focus, you can see it a lot better. But look at this one. Look how easy you can see that one. To me, that is awesome. And you know, I didn't mention the digital one because it's digital. Of course you can see it. I wish I had a bigger one, digital one. I need one that does angle. 3/8 drive and a half-inch drive that does angle. Anyway, this torque wrench right here, 10 to 170 foot-pounds. It is awesome. Let's try to torque something with it. I know last time when I used this torque wrench, all I did was put the square, you know, the drive in the vise. Got a lot of people saying that that's the reason it's so sensitive is because you're hitting a wall, because you're not building up the torque and whatever. So I'm going to try it. I don't really have anything to actually torque at the moment. Okay. I don't know where this battery went dead. I'm going to have to check. But anyway, this is set at 50. Got a little bolt in here. Well, it's a bigger bolt than my vise bolt. You can see it's a pretty loud click. And just for grins and giggles, we're going to put it on my snap-on one, and if I can find the socket, here we go. And see if it clicks. That should be 50 right there. Nope. It works, I'm sure. But anyway, it ain't about that torque wrench, it was about this one. And now, as you can see, this one is set at 75. And it clicked. And of course the snap-on ones work too. I don't know what the deal is with that one, but anyway, just wanted to show you this. Oh yeah, and it's got a push button release so your sockets don't fall off, or if you got an extension with a socket or a big socket that's heavy, you don't reach over there to torque something and the socket falls off. Anyway, you hear that? I'll show you one more time. That's all I got for this video. Just wanted to show you this and actually torque something this time. I was going to show you this one. That's the reason I set this up, instead of just putting it in the vise and turning it. But I can't find the batteries for it. I don't have no batteries. It came with batteries, but they disappeared. But anyway, just wanted to show you this torque wrench. This is a cool torque wrench. I really like it. We'll see how it works out. And if I have any problems out of it, like always, I will show you or tell you in the comments, or even do another video about it. But that's it for this one. Like always, like, comment, share, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.